Hey everyone, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we're going to be talking about the Sohamo S3 step-through foldable e-bike. That's right, this is a fun little bike. It is a budget-friendly bike, sitting right now at $900 for those of us who want to be kind to our wallets. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start here in the front. We've got 3-inch chunky tires that got that knobby pattern that's good for traction. I've got a working headlight up here in the front. We've got our dual shock absorbers. And then going up the handlebar stem, we've got this little handle here that you can lock into place or unlock so that you can fold the handlebar stem. Now, on the handlebar stem, there is a little ruler to help make it a little bit easier for, when you have different height riders that need their handlebars raised up or lowered, then you can always check what number you have your handlebars set at to make your adjustments so much easier. Up here in the cockpit, we have our handlebar grips that are a fun zigzaggy pattern. Our thumb throttle here. We've got our brake lever there. And then we've got our display. We've got the power button. You can hit that and turns it on. A little hard to see, but that's okay. This button, you use the M button for pedal assist. So it just goes up. It'll go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes back down to 1. Now over here on the right side, you can see that we have a Shimano transmission system, and it is a 7-speed. And of course the zigzaggy pattern on this side as well as another brake lever. Now the Sohamo is a step through, so it's got this nice little swoop, making it easier to mount. And of course this seat is fairly comfortable and it does adjust for your rider's needs. Now we come over here to the 48 volt 15 amp hour battery. Now this does come with a set of keys that go into the ignition so that you can turn your e-bike on and off. And then of course we have our 750 watt motor with traditional disc brakes. So one of the main features that I appreciate about the Sohamo S3 is the fact that it can fold up and unfold, so I can take it anywhere with me. I don't have a bike rack, I don't have a trailer hitch, so I can actually fold this up and stick it in my trunk, which is very helpful for when I want to take it out on rides. Now it does have a range of about 60 miles and the top speed is 28 miles per hour, but we're going to test that out. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to be doing the riding portion of the Sohamo S3 step-through folding e-bike. Say that 3 times fast, I dare you. Alright, so I'm leaving the neighborhood so that I can actually get up to speed here and see just how fast this thing can go. So far, I'm only getting it up to 26 miles per hour, and I'm having to pedal really fast to get past these vehicles. All right, so I am pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, getting it up to 26 miles per hour. And that is in pedal assist 5. Let's do throttle and see what happens. So, in pedal assist 5, throttle only, I was only getting it up to 25 miles per hour. That is interesting. And, depending on the terrain that you're riding on, that can also affect how fast your e-bike goes. Now, I've got a little bit of a bumpy country road over here, but I don't have any steep hills or anything crazy. It's mostly just flat ground here. Now weight also plays a part sometimes. I only weigh about 120 pounds and I am 5'5". It's kind of interesting. So I'm only able to get it up to 26 miles per hour, even though the top speed is 28 miles per hour. It's still a fun, zippy little bike. It gets up to a decent speed still, and it handles really well. Yeah, I can make quick adjustments if I need to, which is good for being an offensive, defensive rider. And I will always preach that when you are riding on an e-bike, an offensive and defensive driver. Pay attention to everything that's going on around you, because people driving in cars, they're not paying attention to you. So you need to pay attention to you. Your safety comes first, always. Yeah, this e-bike feels really comfy too. It's just a fun little bike to ride around on. All right, pull into the neighborhood again. Get some B-roll now. What do you guys think? Let's do it.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. We want to give a big thank you to Sohamo for sending us the S3 step-through foldable e-bike. This is a lot of fun. I gave this bike a big old thumbs up, and I hope you guys give this video a big old thumbs up as well. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And in the comment section below, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this e-bike, we will be happy to address those for you guys. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.